Hey guys, this is Daniel from PPC Alpha, and I wanted to make this video because I saw an amazing example of how important it is to harvest your search terms. So if you take a look, I started working with this client on April 15th, and before another agency was handling this, and you can see ACoS was pretty volatile, sales hovered around 1,000, and this is for one SKU. This graph is for one SKU. So I looked into the campaigns and I found lots of broad match keywords, phrase match keywords, auto campaigns, and of the exact match keywords, they were all very high volume competitive keywords. So I looked into the search term reports and unsurprisingly found many untargeted search terms that were performing well. And what that means is these search terms didn't have any keywords for them. There was nothing targeting them directly. And if there's nothing targeting them directly, there's no guarantee they're going to be targeted again. Also, there's no control over their bids. So what we did is we launched them. We launched them in every match type. And not only that, a crucial point that a lot of people miss is that you should be launching them with the appropriate starting bids. And the way you calculate that is you have to use their performance, their past performance. So for example, if a search term had 5 orders, but at a 500% ACoS, then you might want to look at this CPC and have the starting bid be significantly less than that CPC. Otherwise, you might launch it and it might perform at 500% ACoS. So we launched them, and if you look here, it went from $1,000, it actually rose a little bit before that, but it went from that to $8,700 on one day. That's what, a 800% increase. And then it started to die down a little bit. I think that has a lot to do with coronavirus because this niche in particular benefited a lot from coronavirus. And now I think people are starting to anticipate leaving or going outdoors again, thank God. But unfortunately, we didn't start working together at the end of March, during April, because I really believe we could add these hive sales this whole time. But you know, at least we got the last little bit of it. But yeah, I just really wanted to make this video because some people, they get lazy about this. You have to be on top of this. You have to have a system where you do this bi-weekly or have some sort of period of time that you always do this, and have a system for launching them with correct starting bids. If you don't, the ACoS could go crazy. It could honestly hurt you more than it helps you. So yeah, hopefully this was helpful. Feel free to direct message me if you have any questions, and have a great day.